Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the Tine Row Retainer Clip on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn Air, Amana, and more. The Tine Row Retainer Clip holds the adjustable Tine Row in place. If it is damaged or broken, the Tine Row may not stay in the desired position. If you need a new Tine Row Retainer Clip for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. To begin, open the dishwasher door. Then, pull the bottom dish rack forward and lift it up and out. The Tine Row Retainer Clip is located here on the bottom dish rack. To remove, start by pulling the rubber-headed prong on the Tine Row out of the retaining slot on the clip. Then, rotate the Tine Row forward towards the front of the dish rack. Now, press up on the two retainers holding the clip in place. Then, rotate it down and pull it forward to remove. If you need to purchase a new Tine Row Retainer Clip, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the retainer clip to the bar in the dish rack just above the wheel assembly. Then, rotate it up, being sure that this tab seats on the outside of the rack. Now, press down on the retainer clip to snap it in place. Then, rotate the Tine Row back into position. Align the wheels on the lower rack to the tracks on the door and set it in place. Then, push it back into the dishwasher and close the door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.